Welcome to a journey of profound faith and spiritual awakening. Experience the heart of African gospel worship. In the quiet solitude, a soul connects. A powerful voice prepares to uplift spirits. Her devotion shines, a beacon of hope, a moment of pure, unyielding faith. As dawn breaks, a spirit awakens. Graceful steps through nature's embrace. The wind whispers ancient hymns, her heart finds peace in every stride. Emotion overflows, a sacred tear, a testament to divine connection. In this holy moment, time stands still, a profound experience of grace. Now, the stage ignites with praise. A symphony of voices, a choir of angels. Hands raised high, hearts united. The congregation joins in fervent worship. Energy and devotion fill the air, a powerful expression of collective faith. In the church, spirits soar, kneeling in prayer, lifting hands to heaven, each heart a vessel of praise. A profound connection to the divine. From diverse lands, one voice rises. United in Christ, a global family, joyful praise fills every soul, a celebration of faith and togetherness. This spiritual journey culminates in glory, a testament to unwavering devotion. May your spirit be uplifted, your faith renewed. Thank you for joining this sacred experience.